The city of Folly Beach is working with Charleston County on an island-wide drainage study, and tonight they asked people who live there to explain how flooding impacts their property. According to the results, 3 major factors cause flooding on Folly: sea level rise, rainfall, and coastal erosion. One of the lead planners for this study says these are the issues they are trying to find solutions.
It's an island-wide study which encompasses the entire length of the island. So we're looking at it from one side to the other in terms of both the drainage potential that is existing now and what is not there. In other words, what we need to do to improve that over time. So what we'll hopefully end up with as a product will be some solutions for the city to look at.
Representatives from the South Carolina Sea Grant Consortium were also at tonight's meeting.